What's up, guys? So I'm trying to help you guys out how to install the TunerView on an Android device. You're gonna need your Ktuner, the OBD 1.2, of course, because that's the only one that does not come with the LCD screen. So I got this new one on Amazon, Fire 7, I believe, is the tablet. I'll put the link in the description and below for this. It's like 50 bucks, I think, or a little less. So you're gonna need that, and you're gonna need this. And I wanted to show you guys, if I press hold on, unlock it, you're gonna, when I install the TunerView app, you're gonna need, of course you're gonna need the Google Play Store to download. So once that's done, the TunerView is gonna load, and it's gonna ask for different purchases. It's a one-time fee, so don't get scared or anything like that. I asked most of my friends, and they said there is a one-time fee for it. So I'm about to show you what they got. All right, so these are the options you're gonna get. See, you go over. They're all $5, I believe, except the last one. But what you're gonna choose is most likely, where is it? Trying to see it. There you go. This one right there. The Ktuner Honda TunerView for Android. And it says data log protocol for Ktuner R1, Ktuner Flash V.2, and Ktuner Flash V2. So that's this one right here. And once you click it, it's gonna take you to like payment method. Once you pay that, and I'll come right back to you once I pay mine, and I'll show you guys what you gotta do next. Alright, so after the purchase, it's gonna say verified and all that stuff, successful, and then it's gonna be loading. So I wanna see, it's taking a few minutes, but I'll get back to you once this is done loading. I'll show you what pops up next. Alright, so this is what I got right now. If it's loading for quite a while, just back out and click on the app again. It should reload, like refresh, but you can do it sideways. That's how it's gonna look. Again, there's definitely more options to choose from, like the setup and stuff, but let's go ahead and connect it to the Ktuner right there, the OBD. Yeah, and then we'll check out what options I got in there. So keep watching, and I hope this video helps you guys out. Comment below if anything. Alright, right now the car is off, accessories are off. That's there. I mean, I'm not sure if you have to connect to a Wi-Fi or not, but mine is connected to a Wi-Fi at the moment, but I'm sure you don't have to as long as the Bluetooth is on. Yeah, so with this OBD, the OBD 1.2 Ktuner, you're gonna need the last five for your code. It might ask 07623. I got the video from Fahrenheit Motorsport, so I'm trying to make it shorter for you guys. So take this down somewhere, 07623. Well, this is for mine. This is my serial number, but you need the last five of it. I'm gonna use these to connect it. I'm gonna show you in a second how it's gonna work right now. 07623, and as you can see, I wrote it down there. Make sure 07623. Yep. And we're gonna go ahead and connect the OBD over there with the lights, of course, facing inwards. Okay, so it's connected there, and right now we're gonna go ahead and make sure the foot is off the brakes and the brakes and the accelerator. We're gonna go ahead and click this twice, turn the accessories on, so that should happen. And once that's on, we're gonna go ahead over here, just click it. We're gonna go ahead and connect. And then it says scanning. Well, not yet. We're gonna do auto connect, so we always want to connect it. So scanning devices. So here's the thing. Where is it? So if we were on TunerView, right? Sorry, there's too many fingerprints, but whatever. It's and you try to connect it, you scan for devices, it's not gonna find it, alright? So even I got everything is on, the OBD is like right there. Make sure it's blinking green. It's all on, but it's not showing up here. So what you do is you just go home. Oh, where's home? There you go. And you click on settings. And you click on Bluetooth right here, the Bluetooth, the second one. You have to connect it here. Click on Bluetooth. And you'll see it here pop up. There you go, Ktuner Flash V1. So we click on that. Now it says pairing. And now what you do is you're gonna put the last 5 pin of that 0 that I showed you guys earlier. Of your own though, not mine, of course. I'll put that 11623. Okay, let's try that. Connect. Okay. And it says pairing, and now it says paired device. Now it's connected, alright? It's right there. So we're gonna go back. We're gonna go to TunerView. And we're gonna go to connect. And it should pop up right there. So make sure you click on auto connect. And that's the device, you click on it. And that's it, guys. It's connected. It's got the battery voltage, the PSI, all that stuff right now, but the car's not on, of course. But again, once this is set up, make sure that you don't disconnect the OBD, alright? You have to stay connected with that if you want to run this on your car as a display. Also, don't worry about the battery being drained on the car or anything like that. It's not going to do it. Once the car is off, that's going to turn off as well. That's why we put auto connect, so whenever you turn on your car, it will auto connect to this. And we're gonna go ahead, I'll show you guys, just tap it somewhere. You can do camera mode to record anything, it will show everything there. You can have other stuff, switch layout right here. See, you have different layouts right there. Yeah, these are different layouts right here. Yeah, honestly, I'm liking the red more. I don't know which one I have right now. Right now I have this one. I'm gonna go ahead and change it to the red one. Let's see this one. Yeah, this is the one I have right now. Plus it tells you what gear and everything. Okay, so switch layout. We'll see this one. This is a different one. You got the miles per hour. You got the degrees and stuff. The PSI. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and switch layout back to that one that I wanted before. This one is nicer. We got more airflow ratio, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. RPM, miles per hour is there, temperature is there, battery voltage is there. Yeah, so definitely I'm gonna this is connected right now, and I also bought this on Amazon to connect it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and let you guys know where I'm gonna. Some people do it here. Honestly, I don't like it there, in my opinion, because you're driving, you don't want to be looking down there. I want it like right there, you know. Plus it's not really a blind spot here, so you could put that LCD right here perfectly fine, and that's it. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna put it there. But that, of course, the link in the description below for this as well. It's pretty cheap. Alright, so this is what you get in the package. Cleaning wipes. This magnet, metal pieces. This is for future removal, like it's a clear coat. Or clear coat, something clear. You can put it behind the phone, the tablet, so easier removal for it. And that's bendable as well. And I'm gonna see where I can set it up, and I'll show you guys real quick. And I'll do a few revs once it's turned on. We'll see how this actually works. I forgot to mention, you also get this with 3M backing tape, so you can put it anywhere, I guess, over here if you want, and then just have it towards you, or even like here somewhere, anywhere in the middle. You could have, like, you know, another screen anywhere you want your setup, but I put it there for now to see how it looks. Honestly, I'm gonna give it a try. To me, doesn't bother me much, but I'll see if I can find a different spot for it. and then we'll take a look at that. We'll see if I could use this somewhere or not. Quick update. So I removed it from there because it was like a blind spot. This is a perfect spot right there. Yes, I feel no blind spot right there. This is a perfect spot, plus the camera's right behind it, so I can record perfectly any angle. Which is perfect right there. It's just perfect right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it up and see how it is. And go ahead, start it. So there you guys go. It's all connected. So you see everything live right there. You could put different setups if you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and just give it a rev. See how you guys like it. See, it's pretty accurate. It moves with it. There's no lag. That's perfect. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a drive right now. We'll go and drive. We'll see how it goes. These people don't know how to drive. Big ass car here. So move back a little bit so you guys see everything. It's pretty nice. I really like it. It helps out a lot on the PSI, RPM. RPM, you can see it yourself, but you know, the battery voltage and everything, so you know you're not draining battery somewhere or anything like that. You got the degrees, you got the temperature, the PSI, the airflow ratio, which is perfect. You want that, so you know when you're leaking boost or air anywhere. Yeah, this is it. I hope this helped you guys out. Pretty simple install, and again, the link in the description below for both items I got to set it up completely. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.